Do you want to generate AI images in WhatsApp? You can create any type of image and animate it on WhatsApp with Meta AI with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to generate AI images in WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To generate AI images in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, you will see a Meta button in the bottom right of the screen. Tap on this icon to open Meta AI. If it is not available, tap on the Start New Chat icon and select New AI Chat from here. Now, tap on Meta AI from the top of the list. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the message input field and type Imagine. Now, describe the type of image you want to generate. I am typing a horse running on the ice. Once you type the text prompt to generate the AI image, tap on the Send button. Now, Meta AI starts generating an AI image based on your text. Look at this, how it looks. It provided me with exactly what I needed. You can also view it in full screen and save it to your device. If you want to animate this AI-generated image, reply to this image with an animation description. You can also just type animate it and reply. Now, Meta AI starts making an animation of the generated picture. Look how perfect the animation of the running horse is. By following these simple steps, you can easily generate any type of AI images and animations on WhatsApp.